So here is one truth that most people are not telling beginners. It is not every idea you have that is a product that people are going to buy. You can spend hours, spend days, spend time creating a beautiful PDF, designing the most wonderful templates, or even spend hours making them so perfect. But they will not still sell. You know why? Because it is not solving a problem that people are already trying to solve. It is not hitting the nails on what people want to get. People are not buying beautiful products. They are buying solutions. They're looking for solutions. So you have to solve a problem for the products to be able to sell. So before you create any digital product, let me show you the 4 things I usually recommend you have to do first before you create any product and put it out there. So first and foremost is that you have to search before you create. Before you build anything at all, go to Google, put in your idea there. You can put in words like how to do this, templates, guides, and then wait and see what Google autocomplete is going to give you. Go through whatever it gives you. If it recommends articles, please go ahead and read the articles. If it recommends YouTube videos, please watch the videos, because if people are searching for it, then it means it is in demand. But if you search for what you're looking for and you don't find anything there, then just know that that's a warning sign. Please don't go into that product, because if they are searching for the solution, that means your product is going to sell. But no, you're not searching for it, then that means it's not going to sell. Secondly, what you have to do is that you have to check if that particular product is already selling. Most beginners get scared when they see someone selling the same product or something similar to that. No, you don't have to. You can go to places like Etsy, Gumroad, or even TikTok Shop. Search for a product in your niche. If you see people already selling the products or the guides or templates, that's a very good one. You know why? Because this proves that people are spending money on that product, on that particular thing you're about to sell. Your job actually is not to invent new ideas. Your job is basically to recreate those particular ideas, those things already there, put it in a better way that's going to resonate with your audience, or you track it to suit whatever you want to do. Rebrand it, create a better solution from what you already see that's existing there, or you will create it to resonate with your audience. That's all you need to do for your products to sell. Thirdly, you have to get very specific. Make whatever you're creating to be very specific. One mistake I see most people make is that they try to help everyone. If you create a product for everyone, most times it does not connect to anybody at all. And so instead of you creating a product that says, instead of you creating something like a social media guide, why not just narrow it down to something like a 7-day content calendar for beauty brands with just 1,000 followers? Now you see you're hitting a problem. So the more specific your products are, the more people feel like it was actually made for them. It was created for them. It was created to solve their own particular problems. And that's what makes people click and buy. That is how your product is going to be sold. Finally, just go ahead and ask your audience what they want. This is in fact the simplest step, but most people get to skip this. Just go ahead and type something, post something like this. What is the biggest thing you're struggling with right now? Watch your audience tell you what they want. Go ahead and read the whole replies. This is just your audience telling you their own problems, giving you ideas for your own product, using their own words. Now you're dealing with them one-on-one. Pick anyone. You're going to have a lot of options to select from. Pick anyone you think you can create and go ahead and create it. For me, this is actually more valuable than guessing. Don't stress yourself guessing. Go ahead and ask them what they want, and they're going to tell you what they're looking for. So before you create your next digital product, just remember these 4 steps. First of all, search if people actually want what you're about to create. Secondly, check if the similar product or the same product is already being sold. And then thirdly, solve a specific problem. The fourth one, as simple as it is, ask your audience what they need. This will help you narrow down to what your audience wants, what resonates with your audience, before you even start creating it. So just do these 4 things. You stop creating products that you hope will sell and start creating products that people are actually looking for, like people are already looking for it. So if you found this video really helpful, why not just follow me? Because I'll keep showing you how to build real incomes online with advices that actually work. So I'll see you all next time. Bye.